I just cut 2 bottles with the G2 bottle cutter. I got my score line, tap water, and heat gun. And I'm going to attempt to prop this up to show you how I get this to work. Hopefully this turns out. I keep the heat gun roughly about 1 inch below, and I keep it on low. Slowly go around it. That's once. Twice. 3 times. Okay, I can hear it. And bingo. There it is. Just that easy. 3 times around with the heat gun on low. Got a perfect cut. Just like that. Look at it. Perfectly smooth. In fact, if I pull the top out even, you can see the top. The top even fits right back on. Doesn't always work out perfect, but with the G2 bottle cutter, there are 4 adjustments that have to be made, which is key. It has to be perpendicular in 4 different directions before you can even score the bottle in order to get the perfect cut. And if you do that correctly, this is your end result. Put that right next to the next one. And there you go. No boiling water to ice water. You just need the bottle cutter, cold tap water, and a $20 heat gun. And that's how you cut bottles. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.